To design an Instagram post as a complete beginner, you want to come over to Canva homepage. Make sure the template is selected. As a beginner, I advise you to start with a template. So we are going to go with the Instagram post here. You see here, you can start creating from a blank new page, and you can see all these beautiful templates that are here that you can start creating from. You can pick anyone that catches your fancy. So I will pick this template here. So once you select the template you want to work with, you're going to click on customize this template. The template will open up in the editor. To understand your template better, it's better you click on one element in your design and go over to position and come over to layers to see everything that is laid out in your template. From here, if you look at this template, you can see that this image here, this image was brought in here that is not editable. You can see there's a duplicate of that image behind this. You can see all the elements that was used in the design. And if you want to start editing for the image, if you don't have your image already in Canva, you might want to click on the upload tab here and come over to upload to upload your files. If you have your files in Google Photos or Google Drive, you can just bring it in from here. So let me scroll down to get my image. I'll bring in this image and spread it out how I want it to appear. I'm going to click on the BG remover to remove the background from my image and go over to position to make sure it's centered. The background of my image is removed. Let me come over to layers. So I want to know the exact position the lady behind is. So I'm going to pull her down and place my image where the lady was, and I'll click on the lady image and take it out. I'm going to go over to my elements tab and come over to shape, and I'll click on this square shape and add it, and I'll bring it down, spread it like this, and I'm going to go back into layers. Let's go back to position and let me drag this to be on top of this. You see the text, I might need to come to the text here and change the text color to white. You can actually move things around, design it how you want things to look. You can take things out. You can edit it to your taste. To go back into position, you can see what to take out. I'm going to delete this part. Anything that doesn't work for your design, you can easily just take it out. I'm going to go to this line underneath it. I'll change the color of the line to white so it's obvious. One more thing I would like to do is to click on the image and go over to edit, and I will scroll down and come under where it says effects. I'm going to click on shadows to give it a bit of shadow. I will give it the drop shadow, and I'm going to spread it out to fill in the parts that's expanded when the shadow came in, and I'm going to make sure it's positioned correctly. And to edit your shadows further, you can tweak how your shadow appear. If you want your shadow to be very obvious, you can increase the blur amount. Once you're happy with your design, to download your design, you click on share here and come over to download here. And you want to leave this PNG, or you can download as JPEG, but I'll leave mine as PNG. You might want to increase the pixel size of your image, or you might want to leave it as is. Once you're done, you click on download. Let me know if you have any questions. So have a good one.